Hi, I'm Robert Flowers, and in this video, I'll be discussing the best marketing strategies for finding tenants for your rental property. Finding tenants can be a challenge, but with the right marketing strategies, you can attract the right renters and keep your property occupied. Here are some effective marketing strategies to consider. First, make sure your property is listed on popular rental websites and classifieds, such as Zillow, Apartments.com, and Craigslist. Second, create high-quality photos and videos of your property to showcase its best features and attract potential tenants. Third, consider offering move-in specials or other incentives to attract renters, such as a free month of rent or a gift card. Fourth, use social media to promote your rental property and connect with potential tenants. You can post about your property on Facebook, Instagram, and other platforms to reach a wider audience. Lastly, consider hiring a real estate agent or property management company to help market and fill your rental property. They have access to a wider network of potential renters and can handle all aspects of the rental process for you. If you want to know more about effective marketing strategies for finding tenants, then attend our free workshop on increasing and stabilizing your rental income.